Good morning, friends, fellow traders, my students, my subscribers. My name is Samuel Okoyeocha, communicating from the land of the rising sun. Today is Saturday, 14th day of June 2025. I want to bring you what I do every week, the advanced method of Elliott Wave analysis for forex traders, crypto, stock, commodity indices, whatever that you can trade. You can analyze and trade with Elliott Wave. So that's amazing. If this is the first time you are watching my video, I'll be glad if you will like, share, and subscribe. I also have a mentorship program. You will see my contact on the bio of the video. You also see free links to join my Telegram channel, 2 of them, for free trade setups and charts and some little education. So it's a choice to make. My mentorship is affordable to anybody, and the way I structured it is very good because you don't pay monthly, neither do you pay yearly. Once you paid, you will have the time to learn at your own pace. Thank you. So let's go dive into the business. DXY, as I said before, we are still going down. Okay, at least I expect it to drop further to 96 or even 95. So no time to waste on those today because everything is still going the way we saw it long ago. So no changes yet. It's still selling until when it is time to buy. I'll let you know. So any pullback or correction upwards is an opportunity to sell. USD card, the same thing. The selling continues. I don't know. Selling continues. No buy setup yet. You can see it's still going down. It can still go a lot more down. So what you're gonna do is always move your stop loss to the higher low, in case if there's any unexpected move, then you go out on break even. So here will be an ideal stop loss for USD card for those who have entered following my recommendation. Meanwhile, this is how I trade. I don't recommend you buy yourself because every trade has its risk. You must know that there's risk in trading. So I gain, I lose. Don't assume that I gain every time. But what I do is that because I have the knowledge, when I gain much. When I lose small, or I go out on break even. So don't ever trade when stop loss is too far. It's not a good idea on how to trade. Okay. So let's continue. This is a USD chef. You can see we are still going down. We are still going down. We may get to 0.75, 785, 7800. We are continue going down. No buy stop for now. Okay, that's for USD chef. Euro USD, we are still buying. At least we're gonna jump this upper line. Okay, let me go to daily. So USD, Euro USD is still going up, though we are almost at our reversal zone, but we haven't seen the reversal yet. I say it's always that a particular instrument have come to a reversal zone doesn't mean that we automatically begin to buy or sell. No, you have to wait and get the buy or sell set up, because on Euro USD, I see it's still going up until I see set it up before I begin to sell, and the selling will be huge when it starts. Pounds USD, the same thing, is still buying, no set up yet. Though we are seeing signs of the market getting weak, but until it reverses, we continue to buy. For pounds USD, Euro USD, they are buying. AUD USD is also buying. So thing again. It's also buying until I see reason to sell. So all of them, New Zealand USD, AUD is still going up. No selling yet. No setup yet. New Zealand USD, the same situation. We should expect it to go up, give us a new high until we get a setup. For now, it is still buying. Maybe if we get a sharp move below this place, then we know that we are now beginning to sell. But for now, expect it to give us a new high. Euro JPY is still buying. We have a target on Euro JPY. We are almost there. So this. So we are almost there. We're just waiting for it to complete. Then we look for sell setup and begin to sell. For now, we are still buying. 4 hours. This sharp move down during the week, I was thinking that the market will delay. When I saw this move down, I was thinking it will do something like this before going up again, but he just moved up once more. So you see our target 167 and above. We get there, then we know what else to do. For now, it's buying. USD JPY, I think we are gonna have a triangle. A triangle, for those who don't know what a triangle is, this is A, B, C, D, E. Maybe before market comes to this zone again, we have a sell. I keep watching. If you join my Telegram channel, I will share this when the sale will occur. Not a must that it will occur, but when we see structures, we can forecast what will happen next. So I think we're gonna get this sell. So join us, you will benefit. Pounds JPY, judging by the daily chart, we're gonna still have much move to make, unless there will be a truncation. But I know we will have a new high, even if it don't come to this zone, but it will attempt to come to this upper trend line to give us the complete WXY. Okay, so expect more buying on pounds JPY. Gold, expect more buying on gold. So nothing to analyze on gold. Gold, we are heading 3,600 on gold. Okay, we are heading to 3,600 on gold, or at least 3,560 at least, before we will think about any correction or selling or trend change. Silver, the same thing. Silver is still going up. Silver is still going up. No much talk. Silver, we see, expect silver to keep going. Maybe this time around we may get to $40 for silver. I don't know, but from what I see on the structure of the market, silver is still going up. Okay, platinum has given us a correction. Maybe it will be a single pullback, or maybe it will give us an ABC before buying again. Whichever way, I will be looking at lower time frame, like 1 hour or 15 minutes, to know when we're gonna buy. So for now, either this happen or this will happen. They are all still going up: gold, silver, platinum, and all of them. Oil, Oil, I think news affected oil. You know, for a long time, I'm waiting for oil to give me. See, now, this is why I always tell you that you need to have sales setup before you sell, buy setup before you buy. If you watch my previous video, you know that I marked these zones as where we expect oil to sell from. Let's assume that when price came here, you sell because it is at a reversal zone. You make a losses. But I didn't sell. I was waiting to get the sales set up. It didn't happen. Maybe news come out. Maybe conflict in Middle East. News come out. People begin to react, and this happened. I didn't buy. I didn't sell. So right now, oil price will delay. There will be a lot of consolidation before oil will make a new direction. So for now, watch out for something like this on oil. Something like this. Maybe it will do this or it will do this before doing this. So for now, oil, I'll keep watching to know how price will develop. So no trade on oil for now. US 100 Nasdaq, I want to see it give me a nice pullback before I buy again. Okay. SP 500, the same thing. I want to see at least a kind of 50% correction, something like this. I want to see something like this before I will buy, because sometimes when you rush to buy, the market will later make a meaningful correction. Right now, I don't see any meaningful correction, so that's why I don't want to rush to buy. Okay, so I'm waiting to see a move down to this zone. If not, I'll keep waiting. Okay, so, and that's how all the indices are looking at. So, and now you can see US 30 have broken a channel. So maybe this is what I expected. It has been delaying. So maybe this time is when it's beginning to happen. I don't know. So if you must trade, this is the trade I will take among many of them. Stop loss here. Then target should be here. So remember, whenever you trade, when price is in your favor, move your stop loss to break even, because markets can turn at any time without giving you a warning. When news comes out, there is always temporary disruption. So always protect your profit when you are profit. Okay, don't give up. Don't give back the profits from you made to the market. It's painful. I don't like it. So I will go to Bitcoin and I will conclude. All this one, US 30, they are doing the same thing. So they are at the reversal zone, and they seem to have reversed. Okay, this is 4 hours. If I go to 1 hour, you can see that Dow has reversed. So if you trade with, some people only trade with trend line. Those who trade with trend line alone might have entered this trade after this break, and is a nice way to trade. Okay, so stop loss will be here. Then the next target should be where this place, just as US 30. So many trades are cooking. Okay, but who gonna eat? Those who are patient will eat. If you are too fast, too forward, impatient, you end up making losses. When others are making profits. So watch out if we're gonna get this. Okay, so I think that will be at the end. I'll go to Bitcoin and I will conclude. Let's go to Bitcoin. Bitcoin dropped much than I expected. Bitcoin dropped more that I expected. So let me go back to daily or maybe 4 hours. Bitcoin, remember, as I said last week, that I was expecting Bitcoin to go between 114,000 to 120, but it stopped at 112. I'm beginning to correct. Now, I haven't given up on Bitcoin doing this. Okay, so now the worst I expect on Bitcoin is a bigger correction, something like this. So something like this, which is what we call double zigzag, or other ways you call it W, X, Y, which means Bitcoin can come to 98, even 94 before going up again. That doesn't mean that the bullish market is over. No. Those who understand the market structure will be happy to see it drop, because if it drop, it means more profits for those of us who understand. Those who don't know market structure will be afraid, and they begin to sell their assets out of fear. But we will take position and make the profit. So that's why you need the knowledge. So let me go to 4 hours and I will conclude the video because I am too busy today. That's why this video will be short, just a follow-up video. So now the WXY is also visible on 4 hours. WXY, another ABC. So it's a seven swing structure. For those who knows structures, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That's the WXY. And the market will begin to go up. So nothing to worry about on Bitcoin. Only that you'll be careful to watch when you get to buy setup, you buy. On this level, any setup I will sell, any buy setup I will buy. I don't know how to help you on that. But if you are my Telegram channel, you may remind me to show you buy setup or setup. Right now, no buy setup, no setup right now. The market is trying to make a structure that will land the money into our account. Thank you for watching and God bless you. Remember to like, share, subscribe, join our Telegram channel, WhatsApp channel. Links are there. They are all free. Unless you need my mentorship, then you contact me. My phone number is also there. I don't charge you much. I charge very little money so that anybody can afford. Okay? Bye.